baby! How are you guys all doing? Oh my gosh, it's such another beautiful, gorgeous day. Today I have something very exciting to share with you guys. As you know, that health and fitness is the biggest part of my life, and working out is my everyday gig. That's what I do every day. Literally, gym is my morning. Oh, this little piece. Gym is my morning thing. That's where I go every morning to, you know, achieve my goals, build muscle, get slim thick, and I'm 100% vegan for those of you that are new here, showing everybody that it is possible to still gain size and muscle being vegan. And I've done videos before on where vegans get their protein, and if you haven't seen my recipes, I show where you get your protein. So today I'm so excited, as you might have just saw. I got these bands from Hope Fitness. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen that I used to sell my own bands, and my last one just snapped. So I do leg day 3 times a week, and booty bands, these right here are my leg booty bands. They open and they go all the way around. Are my favorite and my staple in all my leg days. So I always use bands, and you guys have seen them in my workout videos, probably mostly all my workout videos, and you've seen them, you know, many times, but they have different sizes for every band. So they have the extra heavy, the medium, the light, and extra light. So it's like, it's really cool because there's a size for everybody. So people who are just beginning, people who are a little more advanced, and people who are like, I really need something to kick it up a notch. This one's the extra heavy. So that just means it's thicker, there's more resistance in it, and your workout's gonna be a lot harder. I love to use the extra heavy. But as you guys know, well, if you have been following me for a while, I have a little bit of injury in my left hip, so I haven't been going as hard on the bands. I've been kind of using like the medium to heavy ones just because of what I have going on with my hip, and it's connecting all the way down to my leg and everything. So I'm really working on therapy right now with it. But as much as I want to show you a crazy leg day workout like I usually do in these bands, I will do that another video for you guys. But I mainly really wanted to tell you a couple of things about these bands and show them to you, because a lot of people ask me, you know, about my leg day workouts, about my routines, about how I stay like slim, but slim thick is my term for it because I like the thicker look, but still like to stay lean. I use bands literally all the time. You can use them for upper body, lower body, core, everything. And so I was so happy when they also told me they sold these ones. Now these guys are the real freaking deal. So they're the cotton bands. A lot of people prefer these, and some people that have used these prefer these. They're completely different in the sense that these ones, yes, when you have them on, especially if you're wearing shorts, they can slip up and they roll, and sometimes it hurts and they snap you. Or they break a little bit easier after, you know, over the years, over time, however long yours last for. Mine snapped on me finally after a few years, and it hurt like a mother trucker. But this cotton one, it has this like rubber material here, so it sticks onto your pants, and I'll show you. But it's cotton, and it's so freaking hard, like so much resistance, and there is a small and a medium. So like one is harder than the other. I believe this one is. This one looks a little bit tighter. But they had, when they told me that they had these, I was like, sign me up, girl. Because I have been waiting to find a good pair of bands like this with the real deal resistance. Like this is, you guys can see, like I'm already tugging on it. It's like really good. So they have 2 different sizes in these, and a black and a red. And then these bands are the rubber ones. So like, let me show you this. So when you put them on, I like to put mine right above my knees here. And this is what I do a lot of for hips. A lot of people want to know how to grow your hips. I do a lot of these. So outer, this is hitting your outer thigh here. I do a lot of these back, so I'm getting the top of my glute, under, and the middle. So different areas target different areas. So here, back, I'm hitting right at the top of my glute. Now when you squat with these on, you're squatting down. That's how you're getting also your quad and your outer glutes. And now I'm hitting the inner. So I'm getting all areas with the band. It just makes it a lot harder because with the band you're having resistance. So now when I'm squatting, you want to make sure your knees go out. Don't let them lock in. So the band is going to help you with that resistance of getting more pushing out. And it also does help it form, and make sure you squeeze in. So push out, squeeze in. And that's what these are great for, is building, building, building. If you want the look of, you know, more of like a slim thick look, you want to use your bands to build. So push back, never pull forward, and never let your knees lock in. That's how you can hurt your knees. So like I said, line up, push your knees out, and push your butt back. When you come up, make sure you squeeze in, and that's how you build. So that's this one. Now this guy, I love it because he stays on right where I need him to. So it's a very good grip. And oh my god, I can't do too much this right now because of my leg. But these cotton stays really well on the cotton. So same thing, push back, come up, and squeeze. But like if you watch how easy that one was, this one's a little bit harder because it's a thicker band. But there's so much you could do with these bands. Like these are literally my favorite. When I had my own, that's all, this is literally like all I use. And I tell everybody when people ask me, what do you do to grow your glutes, or what do you do to grow your legs? I jump around in these bands. I do a lot of inner outer thighs with them. I do squats with them. I warm up with them. I do everything with them. Sometimes I even go on the Stairmaster, walking incline on the treadmill. You guys have seen that. You've seen a lot of my fitness videos. I probably have a band on in every video. So the last thing that I have to say about these is the reason why I'm so excited is because this isn't just like, you know, go purchase these bands from Hope Fitness. Something that they do that's really cool, which I want to get this completely right, so hold on. It's amazing, and it makes me so happy because they give 10% of their proceeds, the funds, to families all around the world who struggle with life-threatening diseases. And that, to me, that's just amazing that they do that, and that like warms my heart. So I was like, I have to be a part of this. And so anyone out there who purchases one of these bands or any of the bands, 10% you're helping people all around the world with an illness. And I was just like, count me in. Like, that is amazing. So not only are they really good quality bands, but you're helping people right now with illnesses. And I believe right now they are working on, let's see, they're working on, I believe she's called the LEXINATOR. I have to double check. And if you go see, you could see where your proceeds are going to. But I will put all the links down in the description below for you guys to see. And I also have a code for you guys, so you get an additional 10% off. My code is Terry10, and I will put that in the description so you don't forget. So you're getting 10% off, and you're also helping families all around the world in need. So it's a win-win for everybody. I think that's just amazing, and that's how life should be. So I will do another video with these for you guys, of course, again when my leg is feeling 100% better and I can really put these into full gear. I can do one in these because they're a little bit less, you know, like strong on my leg right now because of the pain. But everything will be in the description. Go check it out, and don't forget to use my code so you can save money and then also help people around the world. And thank you again, Hope Fitness, and I will see you guys all on my next video. I love you so much, and have a beautiful and blessed day.